Hey YouTubers, Robb. Guys, this video this morning is for my friend Oscar. He's the one that turned me on to this little snack cake maker, the Hostess Twinkie maker. I have been experimenting making my little snack cakes. This is a ginger molasses cake. Several times I've made these and they came out very dense. I changed the recipe and these are perfect. They're very fluffy, they're light in the middle. One thing is I added some gluten. I added a tablespoon of gluten. I didn't cook them as long, only 4 minutes. And it has raisins, walnut, and on the bottom I put some coconut so it doesn't stick. And I coated the inside with coconut oil. And these are just delicious. Also, it has a ginger in there. I put like a heaping teaspoon of ginger. And I also increased the amount of baking soda and baking powder, which also helped make it fluffy. And when I cooked them, I didn't fill them up very high, just a tiny bit, and they rose very well. I made a dozen with just 1 cup of flour and the other ingredients. So I would give these to company. Sometimes I make things for myself. I'm a single guy, and I'm not spending a lot of money. And some of my recipes are they're edible, and surprisingly, but this is something I would give to company. I would take to like a party or something for a snack. This is very nice. This is one of the most successful recipes I've made in a while, and I'll leave the recipe on the page at the top and in the video description. So if you're experimenting with these little Twinkie guys, this is as close to a real snack cake Twinkie I've ever made in the Twinkie maker so far. And the ingredients are all fresh, no Frankenstein ingredients. It's all pretty straightforward, except for the gluten. Some people don't like gluten, but I experiment. I think it helps the texture. It holds together better. So, all right, just thought I'd let you guys know if you could make some pretty decent molasses, ginger, walnut, raisin, coconut snacks, and it only takes 4 minutes. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.